Hello students, today we have two of these young students who are just going through their MBA course towards the end of their course right now. So we have Vishnu, we have Nirali, and they are from Wellinger, the second year of their MBA program right now, done with their placement process. So definitely they are here to help you that at this point of time in your preparation journey with regards to taking the decision with regards to which colleges to apply, which exams to give. So I think Vishnu and Nirali will be the right person to guide you on this. So let's welcome them. So hi Vishnu, hi Nirali, how are you guys doing?
Hi, all good. Thank you MBAP and Haider for having us here.
All right, I think Nirali is having a good time after placement somewhere roaming around.
Yes, sir. We just went out with a bunch of friends. We are having great time. Thank you for inviting.
Yeah, great. So, I mean, what we'll do is, if no, let's say Vishnu, if you can go first, give us a brief intro about yourself, and then we can start the discussion.
Sure. So, so my name is Vishnu. I'm a BA graduate. I did my BA in multimedia. Now I'm a student at Wellinger doing the PGDM Media and Entertainment course in the second year.
Okay.
So, I basically wrote a bunch of exams trying to get into college, but mostly it was MAT and ATMA. I got into Wellinger through my ATMA score, which is around, I think, 96.34 something roughly. And again, media and entertainment, because I have my bachelor's was also in multimedia, where I learned the technical side of media, and here now I'm learning the business side of it.
Okay.
Now, I've also received a PPO from the company that I interned with, which is Havells India. And I've received a package of around 12.87 lakhs, which is including my fixed and variable pay. And I'm quite happy with it, and I've accepted it also in the sales and revenue function.
Great. So from an arts background, clearing these exams, and cracking a PPO, great. So I think there's a lot that we can learn from you, because a lot of students come from a non-engineering background, non-science background, they do have concerns, with regard to the further exams as well. So good that you brought the point of ATMA. We'll come to that. Nirali, if you can brief about your profile as well.
Yes, sir. My name is Nirali Mehta, and I've done engineering in electronics and telecommunication.
Okay.
And I'm in Wellinger Institute right now, pursuing media and entertainment program. And I got into this program through CMAT, where my score was 92 percentile.
Okay. CMAT 92
And now,
so
yes,
did you also give CAT by any chance, Nirali?
Yes, I gave CAT. I gave couple of competitive exams in MAT and ZAD. So my best convert was Wellinger here.
Okay. Sorry, the reason why I asked you this is because a lot of students at this point of time have already given CAT, and so they have some of the other exams coming up, but still they did not get good score in CAT, so they get all these kind of demotivation and all that. So tell us right now the placement details. You were saying something.
Yes, sir. So I got placed in TransUnion Civil at package of 22 LPF, including PLI and fixed both.
Oh, wow. Okay. So 22 lakhs as a placement. Okay. Wow. So you're done with your placements. Now I can understand why you're roaming around. All right. Great. So we will come and discuss more about the Wellinger process. What students should do at this point of time, with regards to the CAT exam, which is done. We'll come to that. But tell us first, that during these 2 years of your MBA program, how was the entire learning process? What are the different activities that you were a part of? What probably might have helped you crack this placement? The kind of packages that you guys got. So any one of you can go ahead. Yes.
I guess I'll start, and maybe Nirali can pitch in after. Yeah. So, to be honest, the learning experience at Wellinger is, everybody comes to a college with a set of, let's say, expectations, right? And we all know at postgraduate level, there's not going to be any spoon feeding. We are going to have to work ourselves and learn ourselves in all the ways that we can find. And the best thing about Wellinger is it provides everything that, you would need to go explore, learn. And one of the highlights of this college and the course is that we are in a batch of around, let's say, 840 people in 1 year.
Yeah.
Combined 2 years, that's around 1,600, 1,700 people.
Yeah.
And, most might consider this as, a very bad thing because high competition. But the positive side of it is these people come from varied backgrounds, a lot of different courses in the campus as well. They're learning different things. Every time you interact with somebody from a different course or a different year, you're essentially learning something new. And that is the highlight for Wellinger for me. Like, I also came to the college thinking, oh, I will have to compete with, let's say, 1,000 people a year to get into the company that I want to. But it has been surprisingly the opposite of it, where every interaction that I've had with my peers has been a very enlightening experience. The same case with faculties also. It's not just the department faculties that we get to interact with. We get to interact with a lot of guest lectures, people from the industry who come very frequently to the campus to give us insights. Also, the faculties from other departments are also always available to help and interact with us, which has just been completely enlightening for me.
Okay. I think that's a good point that you brought, because a lot of students think that, with these many numbers of 800 students in a batch, okay, that can be a challenge. But when it comes to the placement process, okay, how do you see that? Okay, that in order to you crack the PPO is what you just told us. Okay,
yeah.
So how can someone be at the best, okay, in terms of their preparation, and how does a college, Wellinger help you with regards to getting the best of the placements?
Okay, so I can answer this question at two levels, basically, because I'm sure a lot of the people who are watching this video would also be freshers, and there's probably going to be a good number of people who are experienced as well. So it's different it's essentially same, but a little bit different for both. And Wellinger actually caters to both these people also specifically. For freshers, they're used to, let's say, having the book knowledge. They've not had a lot of opportunities to actually implement or learn from, let's say, real world experiences of working in an organization, right? Maybe they've done some internships. But the thing that Wellinger does for them is you have live projects from day one of joining Wellinger. Especially in media, we've had Shimaru's live projects from day one. Those who are interested, we've had Geo Creative Labs live projects happening. And this happens along with the academics, and it doesn't cause any issue at all. They manage it in a way that students are able to handle both of them together. So they get one side, again, your academic knowledge, and second, they also get the actual, let's say, real world industrial knowledge that also they're required. And this sets them up to let's say, attend an interview and talk about business, and it opens their horizons to how businesses function. For people with experience, now again, the peer-to-peer learning is the best thing, because you have a lot of people from the industry who's coming back to do an MBA, and you have a lot of people from the industry coming and giving us guest lectures, and they're always open and willing to answer your questions as well. And people with experience usually are the ones with a lot of questions, because they've seen some side of it. And I myself remember I've interacted with people from Mondelez, like Shimaru, X number of companies who's come and given me so much knowledge and expertise.
Yeah.
Great.
So I think with all these learnings, okay, that you're telling, okay, and I think so because both of you are from the media and entertainment program, a lot of students, okay, have this concern, okay, have this doubt, both with the placement process, with the learning process, okay, that if they join any of these other courses, let's say the sectorial MBA. So I think if Nirali, if you can hear us again, you can contribute. Okay, tell us that if someone is getting into, let's say, a media course or a retail or a rural or a healthcare for that matter, because obviously everyone wants core, that's the first choice. But in case, okay, they are not able to crack that, okay, what do you see, okay, about these, the sectorial MBAs with regards to placements as well as learning?
Okay, so yeah, as you said, am I audible?
Yes, you're very much.
Yeah, so as you said, everyone wants core, so that is there, but see, there are limited seats there, but then you should choose the most appropriate and suitable option for you. The next, keep options open for you as well, because in the end there is umbrella placements in colleges like Wellinger Institution. So you can keep on developing your skills when you take part in all these learning activities like life projects that we have something called Global Citizenship Program, then we have JCL, what Vishnu said. We have a lot of international immersions where Wellinger ties up. This year we had Berlin School of Creative Leadership, where students from different schools and countries come over. You get to interact and learn from them. And obviously we have guest sessions and all these things. You can keep on improving your skills and get insight from them. This will help you in the end. And most important is to create network. As you connect with a lot of people, it helps you when you grow in your career.
All right. So Nirali, because we've come into that point as well, okay, that you have given CAT, okay, and this is exactly the phase, okay, where people who score less in CAT, okay, they kind of feel demotivated. And I mean, if you can tell us what score did you have in CAT?
I did not score well. My score was around 70s for CAT.
70%.
And
Okay.
yeah, and this was around the third time I have given CAT, and it was the lowest I scored. But it was like end try for me. I was not gonna try after this for MBA.
Yeah.
So
I think this point, okay, that now giving CAT for third time, okay, and with all the best efforts that you could have done, okay, you ended up getting 70 percentile. But the end journey obviously is getting the best of the packages, the best of the jobs, okay, and cracking that, okay, at a 22 lakhs package. So this should give a lot of hope to students here, okay, that whatever went bad with CAT, okay, that doesn't mean that that's the end of the story. Okay, you have a lot of other exams, okay, you have colleges, and definitely the placement process is something that is going to come for them 2 years down the line. So tell us that, what is your message for these students who probably have got not that great score in CAT, okay, what they should do ahead, okay, and how they should plan their further exams and college applications.
yes. So it is okay to be disheartened because you have worked very hard, and you want to see efforts and fruits of your hard work. But then important is that you do not lose heart and hope. Keep on trying, because the honesty and 100% effort that you have put in will give you results. Not now, but then later. See, the same thing happened. The hard work which I had put for 3 years did not give me result in the like getting into the college, but then later on that hard work definitely helped me, because it was the perseverance which I had led me and helped me for the placement process also, because it is a very pressurizing situation where if you can go through that pressure, this pressure is nothing.
Yeah. So any points with regards to which specific exams that the students should give? And also, I mean, when it comes to Wellinger as a college, okay, how do you say students, okay, that, okay, is this really an option they should consider?
Given the competitive exams that we have, there is a lot of scope. If you can go, see, if you cannot convert CAT, okay, but you can convert MAT. We have SNAP as well. We have exams like ATMA and CMAT, and also CET if you can target. So
Yeah.
what happens to this exam is you actually open up more doors for yourself.
Yes.
You have more options available. Choose out the best colleges from these exams. See which college accepts CMAT, ATMA, and CET. If you do now, CAT is gone, so it's gone. Forget about it. Think further. What to do next? How do I figure out best solution from the things I have?
Yes.
This is the approach everyone should have.
Great. Thanks, Nirali, for your time, okay, and Vishnu for your time, okay. Definitely, okay, with all the hard work that you have been gone, okay, past 2-3 years, okay, and then getting the desired package that you wanted, okay. So I think you have a lot of things, okay, in terms of you should celebrate, you have achieved. And for students coming up, okay, I think you guys, okay, stand as a role model that with whatever happens in your exam, okay, there is still a lot of things, okay, that how you can change further, okay, in their career path. So thanks a lot, Vishnu and Nirali, for your time.
Thank you so much.